Hey guys, Basil and Will with Grayson Hobby. We have a new product from Jumper we want to show you in 1 minute, so let's get to it.
Alright, so what we have here is the new Jumper R1 V2 mini receiver. This is a 1.5 gram with antenna receiver from Jumper. It uses the D16 FrSky style
Very
protocol.
D16.
It has failsafe through the radio. Just a single S-bus connection on it. There's no UART ports, no smart port, no nothing like that. Basic receiver, great for little small micros. It has like a little Mortar T looking antenna on it, which is pretty cool. So if you have a little micro with a mount, you can put it there. But we're going to check this out in a new product we got coming in soon. We're going to be installing this and trying it out at the same time. So stay tuned for a video on that.
More in-depth video, and we're out.